Guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make like transition on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut. Next, new project, and select the videos that you want to edit. Okay. Press the effects, video effects, and find basic. After that, you can select the backlight focus. Okay. Drop the effect between the two videos and adjust the effect duration like this. Okay, and done. Your video gonna look like this. Okay. If you like the video, you can press the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.